going to the Nam, the Vietnam. Holy shit, look at this. Hello and welcome, and we are back in the best place to get out of. T2. Yes, it's a big one. 9 days, no riding, but yeah, big one. We're going to the Nam, the Vietnam. We are already late. We were on the taxi about 2.5 hours, so we have to run now. So let's run.
Yes.
Come on. Activity is done. It's around 10:15ish. We have half an hour to eat our dinner. We'll go to the lounge. We'll have dinner. That's the thing if we come with family. You have the lounge access, free lounge access. So we'll have dinner. If you don't remember, last time when we came to Singapore, we were denied lounge. The Singapore trip, you can see that somewhere up here. So yeah, we are in. We'll go have some dinner and then to the flight. It's AirAsia by the way. So let's go. We just came to the queue in the lounge. We don't have time on. Yes, that's the queue. So yeah, no dinner I guess. We'll see. We are late. We are very late. We just finished dinner in that place. Flight takes off at 11:20 and it's 11 and we're not yet in the gate. No idea. Boarding pass no there. Boarding pass no yeah gate and thus we have to run to the gate now. Okay, let's go. Got changed and it was completely empty, so we kind of got scared. The flight is gone, but the boarding is not yet started, so it's fine. A little bit of a relaxation we can do now. This is that one. So it's like a 9 days trip. 9 days Vietnam. We're doing Hanoi and Hoi An. So first we'll be landing in Hanoi and second half will be Hoi An. So we have a crazy itinerary planned for 9 days. So yeah, let's start. Come on. Okay, we are in. Finally, the flight is delayed. It will take off I think an hour late or something. So finally settled down. Let's fly. Bangkok, then Vietnam. We have like a 4.5 hours layover in Bangkok. So first stop Bangkok.
Hi.
Thailand. Yes, we have landed in Bangkok. Little late, we landed 45 minutes late, but yeah. It's an empty airport, like completely empty. I don't know, we have to just go to a transfer and wait for God, my next flight. Let's go. Whoa, it's actually pretty damn good. Finally, we found a lounge and we can eat some shit. There is some amazing things to eat here. Oh, crazy. Let's have something, sleep for something, and then we'll catch our flight to Vietnam. Look at these places to sleep. Rest time. Last flight to Vietnam. Yay! Oh, let's go. Finally, after 12-13 hours, it's Vietnam. We got the stamp of Vietnam, I said. Oh my god, so damn tired. But yeah, good trip. We just landed in Hanoi. So we just collect our baggage and head to the airport. So we have some tour guide, tour operator and all. So we'll head to the airport and we'll see maybe evening. Maybe evening we'll go to Hanoi train station or something. So yeah, crazy. Let's go. We have arrived in Hanoi city, like the city center. Oh my god, it's such a chaos. Like a total chaos. Just look at this. People are driving like there's no tomorrow. The driving is worse than Bangalore and India, seriously. But what a vibe. Oh, the chaos vibe is different. Anyways, we just came to our hotel. It's called Vision Premier. We'll check in and then we'll take some rest and we'll go to the train station thingy, whatever. Let's do that. We'll come for the...
follow him.
Yes. We'll come to the train street. This is the famous Hanoi train street that the train comes right in front of the... Okay.
Hello there, follow me this way.
Oh my god. Yes, okay. Yep, this is it. Oh man, this is crazy. I've been seeing this in reels, Insta, but then finally being here. It's actually amazing. Wow. This is crazy. Just waiting for a train to come. Look at this. Oh man.
My friend,
We tried egg coffee.
want to take about with about
The
this
most
window?
famous coffee in Vietnam, Hanoi. So it's very mixed taste. Okay. So, how was the egg coffee?
Crazy. Crazy.
That's a lie. So we're just walking down the train street. Our guide is like, he'll just take us for a tour down the train street.
You know for the vendor? Yeah. This is Vietnamese vendor. Yeah, you can take in list like this.
Oh.
Yeah, Vietnamese. You want to take picture? Yeah, you will become Vietnamese.
You want to take
vendor.
picture?
Take picture.
No, it's fine.
Yeah. Conical hat, you can. Our conical hat, yeah. Traditional hat in Vietnam. Yeah.
Take one picture.
Yeah, you have to take.
Cool, I did the kung fu pose and all. Crazy poses. You want photo?
No way.
No? Okay. Onwards. Okay. Let's go. Come on. Yes. Let's continue. We're just taking a walk. Let's continue. It's a huge street actually. It's, my God, very huge. Just keep going. The way it keeps going. Wow. It is amazing. There's a point where people are literally sitting on the tracks. So look at that. Wow. That's crazy. My God. It's actually an amazing place.
This one we use for the friend. The friend was built for the track in here.
Okay.
More than 100 years ago.
More than 100 years.
Yeah, so until today we still use for to the friend truck. Yeah, it's owned by the friend.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
The system from to the Hanoi to Ho Chi Minh City, we still use by the train stuck in the friend train in here. Yeah.
Oh, wow. So I was telling this system is more than 100 years old and they're still keeping this system, and this is one of the main attractions, so they have to protect this. That's crazy. That is actually crazy. They have kept caps over there to take home after it's flattened for souvenir caps. So let's see how flat that will become. That's the state of it now. So let's see how it will be.
60 seconds.
So our tour guide is like, the train is little big, so you have to stick to the wall on the end,
Of course.
so not to get hit. So
My mom is bailing out.
some of them are like, I'm going, not for me. We'll see when the train comes. They are getting the place ready for the train. It's all down. It's all down. So it should come any minute now. Oh shit! Oh, holy shit! This is Allah. Oh my God! Oh my God! That was too close! My God! I didn't think it would be that close. I thought it was somewhere there. But yeah, that was close. We are getting this one. They are sick too. I found two, but unable to find the other two. My God, that was close. We found two of the four. This is the condition. Oh man, crazy. This is crazy. Wow. Wow. Just mind blown. Fuck. How is that?
That was crazy.
Fuck. That was closer than expected. It was literally touching the plants up there. It was scraping that. Wow. Got scared for a second. My God. Yes, let's go. Okay, that was train station. I think that's the end of today. So, see you tomorrow in Ninh Bình. Bye bye.